Walker. It's the only one for a while. Just wandered out here. The place is infested back there. Military's gone. Guess I'll head to Big Creek. Could build a raft. Maybe there could be more survivors. Go down to an old mill. I had some radio from there. Gunshots. Hopefully they're gonna get a run by now. It's been a few days. Wonder what happened. Who caused this? The horde's coming. I gotta go. I'm going crazy. I'm talking to myself. Five miles to go. Walker. It's the only one for a while. Just wandered out here. Well, I'm about there. Two walkers? That means there's walkers in these woods. I was right about that. Bugs are bad. 6:80 in the morning. Well, you can tell right there there's been a horde from all the trash. Oh, right there. I bet the horde that was in the military base came through here. And they were transporting trucks and stuff. They couldn't go in the road, so they went around it. Well, I'm at the creek. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Any walkers? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-cock-a-cock-a-doodle-doo! Okay. Walkers would have came to that. They're not here. Well. Could be snakes. Number one thing. I mean, snakes or zombies, which one do you pick? Snakes or zombies? I'd rather deal with snakes than zombies. I mean, which one would I pick? If I was someone else, what would I pick? Looks like there used to be some structure. It's definitely been bombed. You can see right here that this right here probably used to be a little dam, and it's mush now. It's not very deep. Zombies. Well, here's where I would get my water from. It looks a lot dirtier than I would like, though. Could be copperheads, water moccasins. It's clear right here. But if you walk over here, where it's deeper, that's way too dirty. You can see some little fish swimming. But if we walk down here, we can find some fish. Walker. You get the rest of Walker down here. So I was right. Huh? Well, it's nap time. Gotta go to sleep. Let's have a bell so the walkers can't get me. Shoot them if they come. I'll have to worry about crawlers, but that shouldn't be a big problem because we're gonna get through all the brush. Well, there's more survivors at the mill. I could go there, see it help them, then I'll find out. That's it, sweet. Thank you guys very much for watching, and this one didn't take as long. The storyline wasn't as good, and I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to make this NERF videos better. I know they're not very good right now. I'm still learning how to do them, but thank you very much for watching if you've made it to here. And if you have made it to here, well, we'll find out later. A product, I'm not making a choice, but I need your opinion on something. Do you see this? It's for something because my company, I'm just rolling out products, seeing what'll be successful. It's pretty much the size of a Game Boy, smaller than a Game Boy, except it runs on PC power. Would you rather it be this size, so pretty much the Game Boy Mini size, or this size? This size, or this size? This one could only play retro though. It'll be a retro mini, or that's what we'll call it, or something like that. We're thinking this size, second to this. But I'd like your opinion on that. But it'll pretty much be able to play the power and have the same FPS as a Switch, except that. And more power than a tablet. Now this, and as much power as a laptop and stuff. I don't want to get a laptop out though. But after all this, we're still in development, so this product might not come out. I'm not for sure. Just like pretty much most of the products, we develop them and then see what the price will be and if we can mass produce them or not, because we're just a little startup company. I'm thinking this size though, because imagine this. You want a game, it's pretty much, you could buy this, I don't have a PS4 on hand, but, or an Xbox. Personally, yeah, I picked the smallest one, but if you'd like a bigger screen TV, you should pick those. But this is for mobile gamers, and in case you, like me, the Switch just way too big. You can't fit this in your pocket. This you can. Small, you can't really see it because I'm recording with a phone, but it's around that much wider than the phone. Yeah, but that much shorter. But guys, I'd like your opinion on that. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Because it takes time, because, you know, I have to edit it. And at the time of I'm recording this, I haven't edited it yet. So we'll see how long that takes. I don't know, I'm guessing an hour. But I like your opinion. This will be, I haven't come up for a name for it yet. For this console yet. Or handheld. And have just started development. Still working on design, just this is the size. Still working on design, making it look good and stuff. We haven't even built it yet. I mean, we're still ordering the parts and stuff. But I'd like your opinion on that. Names, comment on names. It's a shorts video that should be out. But guys, make sure to like and subscribe. These videos take time. I know they're not the best, but I'm learning. Here's it compared to an iPhone SE. I don't have an iPhone SE in hand, but here. That's my phone right there. But here's it compared to an iPhone SE. I do have it on hand. You can see it's a little wider. Phones are a little wider today. Actually, are they? Yeah, so they're a little bigger today. So it's pretty much, here's how wide it would be compared to a phone today. It would be around that. It would have around a quarter inch would be left over, and thickness, it would be around 3 times as thick. If you're picturing this, it would be around that thick. So it would be around a 1/2 inch thick. If you're asking me, that's quite a bit thick. But if you think about it, you're being able to play PC games and having the processing power of a Switch. That's crazy. It'll only be able to run. Be able to play 1080p video and 60 FPS. We're still in development. This product might not come out, and it won't actually have a speaker. Will have a headphone jack. That'll be a disadvantage, but we might add that in later. And imagine playing Fortnite. So this is like we might make a calculator edition, so it would look like a calculator and have a calculator app. Yet it would not be. So imagine that. You're not allowed to put it in hand. I mean, this is just an idea. Like this, it would just come out of a calculator. That would be cool. That's the size of a calculator. I just want your opinion on that product. As normal, it might not come out, just like the Berry One thing. We need more money, my company does, for me to make that. But just make sure to subscribe. I'm not for sure if it'll come out or not. I'll make a whole video on this later whenever we get it built, because we're getting the Berry One built, and then we came into a big delay and problems, so we figured out we aren't big enough and we don't have enough money to mass produce it. But make sure to like and subscribe, because this is an idea. And if you like the video and if you're still and like and subscribe and comment your name, just comment you subscribe down below, and they'll give you a shout out. Subscribe. Peace.